Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of Eastridge Analytics classification tool. This is the cutting edge of rules-based machine learning for classification. This tool provides users with extremely accurate predictions with a concise explanation for every prediction. First, we've uploaded the insurance training data, which is a file that shows each customer's demographic information with the target variable of how much the customer has claimed in insurance over time. A low charges interval means the customer charged less than $5,000 to the insurance company, while the high represents greater than $10,000. Next, we click on the Train tab. We select our target variable, which is charges, and we remove any variables that are not needed in the machine learning prediction. We click Run Program, and the program will automatically pick up on the most important rules within the dataset to classify new data. We can see those rules here. If we go to the Test tab, we can import our test data, which the program has not seen yet, and the program will automatically classify this new data. So this is very similar to the training data, but it's brand new data. When we click Test Data Predictions, we can see that the program had an overall accuracy of 87%, predicting which category the customer would fall into. For example, for the very first record in the test file, we see that the customer was predicted to fall into the high category of insurance claims because of these reasons. The customer is in the highest age group, similarly, we see the second record, the customer is also in a very high age group, and the program picks up on that pattern and classifies this customer. Next, we can view the accuracy of each rule. So rule number 1, which states when the customer's age is between 28 and 32, they do not have children, and they do not smoke, then the customer is likely to have low insurance claims. In the training data, this rule was correct 13 out of 13 times for 100% accuracy. In the test data, this rule was correct 11 out of 12 times for 92%. If we look at the second rule, we can see that this rule was correct 7 out of 7 times in the training data, and incorrect in both instances it was used on the test data for 0% accuracy. This second rule would be removed when moved to production. Next, we can click on the Visualize the Effectiveness of the Rules tab. This graph here shows us the confidence of each rule, as well as how accurate the rule was on the test data. The color of the dot represents how accurate the rule was on the test data, and the size of the dot represents the number of records the rule classified in the test data. If I hover over one of these dots, we can see that this corresponds to rule number 17, which had 99% accuracy on the training data, and then it had 86% accuracy on the test data. And then we can see the rule logic below. Lastly, if we want to download these rules or the model, we can do that here and move this model into production right away by exporting the SQL statement. This SQL statement can be used in the database to automatically classify new data as it comes into the database. This Parameters tab allows the user to adjust the nuance of the program. And then you can read more about the machine learning program in the About page. Thank you.